Whoa, got another package? Or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Anton's Land of Biltong. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of yummy items. Land of Biltong, also Anton's USA. I try to drop some links in the description. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way and see how we can get this open. We do have one big thermo pack bag and a whole bunch of other stuff. Eat at Anton's. Here we go. Keep that in view for the moment. We do have a whole bunch of stuff. Let's get this in the right position here. Biltong care instructions for your reference, because it is perishable item. We do have some drying bags for separate portions. And we also have the thermal pack. So let me pause for a second to grab a list here. So the main thing in the bag is what's called the 47. This is a 2-pound Angus biltong, 2-pound Wagyu biltong, as well as a spicy sampler 0.75. So that gives you the 47. So let's see if we can get this open. Okay, so it's in a lot of little separate packs, which makes it even easier to portion out. Wow. It just keeps coming. Yeah, 4.75 pounds is no joke. And on top of that, to make it here, oh wow, these are still cold. I ordered some extra cold packs. Ooh, these are still cold. Very nice. So we calculated correctly. So you can see here, we just grab it random, give you a look through the window. Here's some of the Wagyu. I can feel already. It has a nice little smooshy texture. Oh, wow. Same with the Angus. Let's see what else we got here. Wagyu. Okay. We have some Angus peri peri. We have some Wagyu ghost. Oh, we even have Angus Reaper. So I do believe that's our samplers right there for the spiciness. And the other item here, I really don't want to cover this other stuff, but we do have a collab with Styxhexenhammer 666, a t-shirt. Oh, and on the back, Clank Nation with the Ouroboros logo with the wings. So a little Styx merchandise there. And we have some add-on items because Anton always gives extras. Here we have some care floss. So instead of some previous items that we had in our last shipment, on the opposite end, we have some care floss. And we have a very nice American flag. Very cool. So again, these all came from Anton. You can see there. He's also at Land of Biltong, Anton's USA as well. So I'll try to also drop some links in the description, but backtracking. We had some merch collab with Styxhexenhammer 666. We also had extra stuff, a little care floss somewhere in here, American flag, as well as the 475, 2 pounds of Angus biltong, Wagyu US version biltong, as well as the 0.75 pound sampler pack, in this case Angus Reaper, Wagyu Ghost, and somewhere buried in here, Angus peri peri. So again, some cool stuff from Anton's USA, Land of Biltong. This has been an unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.